Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Clash Royale account permanently. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale account, which of course I've done right here. The next one is, where can you find Clash Royale? Now you can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. Now, after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the battle screen of Clash Royale. Now, in the battle screen, you're going to have to pass through the first phase of the tournament, which is your training phase. And after doing that, it's going to take you right into this window, which is the home screen, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to delete Clash Royale accounts permanently. From this window, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that, and now you have Battle Log, Leaderboards, TV Royale, Training Camp, Tournament, Settings, Supercell ID. Click on Settings, and here you have Audio, Language, Name, More Settings, Help and Support, Parents Guide, Privacy, Terms of Service. Go ahead and click on More Settings. And now you have those options that says Your Offers, Filter Client Chat, and Delete My Account. So right next to Delete My Account, you have the Delete My Account button. So go ahead and click on Delete My Account button and follow through with the next set of instructions to delete your account permanently. So once you click on that Delete My Account, your account will be successfully deleted, and it's going to be deleted permanently. All your data in Clash Royale, including Supercell data, is going to be deleted. Your clans will be removed. So all you need to do to get back in is to create a new account and create a new Supercell ID account and start playing new games. But if you're fed up with Clash Royale and you want to get rid of them, this is how you can delete your accounts permanently. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.